If you're new to PC gaming and want to jump in fast, creating a Steam account on your mobile phone is one of the easiest ways to get started. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can set up your account in just a couple of minutes. First, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and search for Steam. Download and install the Steam mobile app. Once it's installed, open the app and tap Learn More about Steam. This will take you to a web page where you can create your account. Scroll down until you see the option Don't have a Steam account, and tap on it. Now type in the email address you want to use for your new account, then re-enter it to confirm. Steam will automatically detect your country, but you can adjust it if needed. Complete the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. Then check the box confirming that you're at least 13 years old and agree to Steam's terms and policies. When everything looks good, tap Continue. Steam will now send a verification message to the email you entered. Open your Mail or Gmail app, find the email from Steam, and tap Verify my email address. Once your email is verified, return to the account creation page. Now, choose your Steam account name, create a secure password, and retype it to confirm. When you're done, simply tap Done, and that's it. Your Steam account is officially created and ready to use. I hope this helped you set up your account quickly and easily. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy your gaming journey.